Hey guys, welcome to today's new video. So today I'll be reviewing this portable SSD drive that is 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte, and I think that's crazy because imagine all the stuff you can put in your 1 terabyte. But I am super excited because I already have one, but it's a 128, and I have a bunch of pictures in there. But I decided to get the more expensive and more one, and that's what I have right here. So that's why I'm gonna go do it. So right here I have it. I'm just gonna open it up right here. And this little thing has 1 terabyte in there, which I think is crazy. And this is what it looks like. And you got your Type-C port, and on your other side you got your USB right here. And that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go grab my MacBook and I'm gonna go set it up for you guys. So right here I just plugged it in, so I'm just gonna click on allow. And that's what it is. So I'm gonna show you guys how to set up. So you're gonna go into your Launchpad on a MacBook. You're gonna go into you're gonna go into this app right here. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna click on this one right here, this drive. You're gonna click on erase. Now you're gonna do macOS journaled right here. So macOS journaled. Click on that. And then I'm just gonna put videos right there, and then you're just gonna erase it. So you're gonna click on done. You're gonna go into your little finder right here. You're gonna go into your whatever you named it right here, and then right here has all your stuff. So I'm just gonna put one of my pictures in here, and I put right here, and then as you guys can see, your pictures and videos should be on there now, and that's what it is right here. This is what it looks like, and it also works with your USB, so if your computer has USB, so you can use that. But I do love this, and this little thing has 1 terabyte on there, which I think is crazy. But I do love this, and I'm so gonna use it. I have a bunch of photos and videos that I need to put on here. So in case like your iCloud is full or like your phone is full and you really need to get something to put stuff on there, this is a perfect one. So in case you get a brand new computer or a brand new phone, you get to do that. So that's pretty cool. And I hope you guys like, share, subscribe, and don't forget I have started a Pinterest and I post a bunch of stuff. I save a bunch of stuff on there. So definitely go see that in the link in the description below. But I hope you guys like and share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.